Oh yeah.
So industrial tooling, we have a holding system called heat shrink, and we literally heat up a tool, put in a cutter, and then cool the tool around the cutter. It gives you super accuracy, super grip force, really nice system. So I have a couple machines, prototypes that just came in that we're playing with, and I shot a couple hours of video working on these machines. Here's a couple excerpts so you can see how cool these machines are.
Here's 15 seconds on a 10 millimeter. I guess I could have dropped in the cutter the other way. Okay, so that's pretty good. All right, so I have that going too hot. I'm at 910 Fahrenheit. So here's a 20 millimeter cutter, and we're gonna run it 12 seconds. A little smoky, so that's okay. A little hot, 735. We're gonna have to turn that down. So we probably could go down to. So I have an 1/8 inch tool now, which is the other extreme. A little smoky. There's some oil on the holder from shipping. Okay, there's timers done. Oh yeah. Where we at? That's way too hot. Oh, it's not. 520. That's not so bad. Looks bad. It's not so bad. Let's see if this will fit. Oh. Okay, so because the heat is here, not here, my coil might not be in the right position. So we're going to cool this down and take another shot at it. So we're going to cool it for 30 seconds. Let's see how this turns out. So we're going to do 1.25 inches now, and I don't have a locating spacers for it, so I'm going to have to eyeball it. I'm going to say right about there. Temperature looks like. That sucker's cookifying right there. Okay, we're done. Still kind of low. So 4. You know what? I bet you this will fit. Oh crap! I can't do it that way. I gotta go like this. Look at that. The sucker fits.
I have a whole bunch more. I have another machine I did, different design, which is kind of painful, but you get the idea. I like to cook tools.